Why is the system process listening on port 443? I am having problems starting my Apache server, because port 443 is already in use. It turns out, the system process, PID4, uses the port 443. I don't have EAS installed, the services.msc shows, predictably, no Exchange server running, nor www services, nor EAS. I have no idea how to find out what service uses that port, short of just disabling each service one after the other, and I am not even sure that would help. I would be grateful if someone could point me towards how I can get my SSL port back, thank you smile. P.S. Of course just switch Apache to another port for SSL would solve the problem of not being able to start Apache. But I'd still like to know what is so insistent about hogging port 443. Smile. I by now took the hard route and disabled services one after the other. It turned out that the routing and RAS service was the culprit. Thank you all for the valuable input and the new tools in the combat against WTF does my system do now?
Run the following from an elevated command prompt.
I bet it's Scud. Uncheck the checkbox shown below if you have it installed.
First off, I will answer this question directly, and anyone reading this can ignore any answers talking about third-party, non-Microsoft applications using the system process. The system process is listed as PID4 on every modern-day Windows system. It is for kernel mode access. This rolls out most third-party web products like Apache. Since the inception of WinRM, Windows Remote Management, the HTTP service, %systemroot%/system 32/drivers/http.sys, has been a standard part of Windows, Vista and later, Server 2008 and later. HTTP.sys runs under the system process PID4. Other Microsoft-developed software may also use the %systemroot%/system 32/drivers/http.sys under the system process like EAS, SQL reporting services, and Microsoft Web Deployment Service, this URL. WinRM 1.0 default ports were HTTP equals 80, HTTPS equals 443. WinRM 2.0 and greater default ports are HTTP equals 5985, HTTPS equals 5986. Check with the following commands. WinRM enumerate WinRM/config/listener. WinRM get this URL. Troubleshooting steps. Get the process number of the port that you are looking for, 443 in this case. From a non-MAC drive of Windows to avoid access denied. Netstat Aeon, find, 443. Output should look like the following for the system process. C: and GT, Netstat annual vertical bar find, 443. TCP 0.0.0:443.0.0.0.0 listening for. TCP 443, 0 listening for. The last column is the PID 4. Running task list to find out what is running in the process proves unhelpful. Task list /sec/phi PID equation 4. Task list /n/phi PID equation 4. Look in the registry for the HTTP service, pigi_local_machine /system/current_control_set /services/http/parameters/erliclinfo. There will be a list of OLs with the port numbers, which can lead you to which application is running and holding which ports. http://+++5985/WSNAN/GT WinRAM. https://++5986/WSNAN/GT WinRAM. http://++80/report/NGT SQL reporting server. You can then find the corresponding service on the system and stop it and see that wanted port is released by confirming with another netstack aon find 443 command.
I had the problem that port 443 was used by system with PID 4 on my Windows 7 machine. The solution for me was to delete an incoming connection, VPN, which existed in the network connections folder. It seems that I created it and forgot to delete it after usage.